Have you ever considered the role of music in social commentary? Picture this: the flashing lights, the high-profile alignments that mark the life of controversial Zimbabwean businessman Winky Chivayo. Amidst this glamour and controversy, a voice emerges, that of Winky D, the revered Zimbabwean dancehall artist. In a bold freestyle that caught the attention of fans and political commentators alike, Winky D revisits his hit track Rokshini. But this time, it carries a fresh and pointedly sarcastic twist aimed squarely at Chivayo's recent boastful statements and his notorious past. Winky D weaves the narrative of Chivayo's controversial statement, made in the presence of African presidents, into his music. His lyrics critique the alliances between the powerful and those with murky financial histories, encapsulating the disconnect between the elite and the ordinary citizens. This freestyle isn't merely a musical interlude, it's a socio-political commentary that resonates deeply with the Zimbabwean populace, underscoring the frustrations of the masses with the seeming impunity enjoyed by individuals like Chivayo. But the dancehall maestro's lyrics go beyond one individual. They underscore a broader societal critique, pointing out how the affluent and politically connected can manipulate systems to their advantage, often at the cost of everyday citizens. The impact of Winky D's freestyle prompts a reflection on the integrity of the presidency and the broader implications of political associations in Zimbabwe. It highlights the role of artists as societal watchdogs and commentators. Through their art can influence public discourse and potentially sway public policy. More than just a song, Winky D's freestyle serves as a call to action. It nudges listeners to think critically about the state of their governance and the characters who are allowed to maneuver within it, often unchecked. As the song reverberates through the streets of Harare and beyond, it is a stark reminder that while politicians may come and go, the voices that challenge their narratives, like Winky D's, will continue to resonate through the power of music and the arts. In conclusion, Winky D's freestyle is a significant moment in Zimbabwean socio-political landscape, a poignant reminder of the power of art to reflect societal concerns, and a rallying cry for accountability and transparency within Zimbabwe's corridors of power.